Good morning, sixth graders. It's Mrs. Albrecht, and I'm going to show you today how to create your genre trading card. When we head to the computer lab, or if you're doing this at home, you're going to want to navigate to the Prior Lake Savage Area Schools Schoology page, and you should be enrolled in the English course. So you're going to click on courses and choose whichever English hour you have with me. I'm going to use 7th hour just as an example. Up will come this screen. You need to click on the folder that says Genre Study. In this folder you will find the directions for the genre trading cards, which you already have, but if you need another one, it's here. You can see my example genre trading card, and then this genre trading card template. That's what you want to use, because you're going to use my template to create your genre trading cards. So go ahead and click on that. I'm just going to go ahead and download the file. And if you're at home or at school, you just want to save it on the desktop so you can use it. I'm going to open it. It should open in Microsoft Word. And here is my template with my example. Obviously, you're not going to use mine. If this yellow box comes up, just click Enable Editing. It's just making sure that this document is safe, and we know that it is because I created it. So now you have this in Microsoft Word. You're basically going to do some deleting and then adding of your own information. So we're just going to start with this first one, and we're going to change it to whatever one you are assigned. So for example, let's say you are assigned mystery. First thing you're going to want to do is change all the contents of this card, this box, to mystery. So the first thing we're going to do is highlight and change our title to mystery. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to delete the characteristics for autobiography and change them to the characteristics of a mystery. So number one might be, in a mystery there is a problem or issue to be solved. Mysteries have clues you follow. We're running out of a little bit of a room, so we might have to change the size of our characteristics here. A character who tries to solve, I want to say tries, mystery is called a detective. So there's my 3 characteristics. I'm going to change them and make them all the same. So we've changed the title, we've changed the characteristics. The last thing we need to do is change the picture. And this is typically where kids get tripped up, because this can be a little tricky. First thing is click on it. So it has this bounding box on it, and you're going to just go ahead and click delete. So now there's no picture in this box. So then we're going to go to Google, and the mystery that I want, you have to have an example book that is a mystery. Okay, so I'm going to do the face on the milk carton, one of my favorite mystery series. And I'm going to go to images, and up here, here's different images of the book. I'm familiar with this one, the face on the milk carton. Whichever one you want to use works. So I'm going to grab the one I'm used to, and I'm just going to click copy image. So I'm going to right click, copy image, right click, copy image, and then I'm going to go back to my Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to click in my document. So I'm back in here, right click, paste, and my book should show up. Now obviously my book is way too big, So I'm going to click on it so I get these bounding boxes. Now, a rule about resizing pictures. You cannot just grab any of these little bounding boxes and change it, because if you do that, your book's going to look all wonky. If you're going to resize a book, you must use one of the corners. If you use one of the corners, the book will resize proportionately, top and bottom, side to side, and it will look better. Now, a lot of kids are like, I can't move my book. I click it and it won't move. You have to change the settings on the picture. So again, make sure your picture is bounded, right click, and choose wrap text. We're going to choose in front of text, just so then we can move our book wherever we want. So again, I clicked, right clicked, wrap text, in front of text. Now I can move my book wherever I want, resize it, boom. There's my trading card. Title, book sample, characteristics. Now, I want 4 of these trading cards. I don't want this one anymore. So I'm going to go through and delete these 3 that I don't want. So in order to do that, I have to bound them, make sure they're lit up, and click delete. Then I have to bound the picture, click delete. Bound the box, click delete. Bound the picture, click delete. Bound the box, delete. Picture, delete. Now I'm left with just my box that I just made. So now I'm going to copy this 4 times. So again, get the bounding box, right click, copy, click outside of this box. If you were to click again in here, it would paste your new one inside this one. You don't want that. So click anywhere else so your cursor is outside the box and click paste. So another one will show up. You're going to grab it and move it. You'll notice the picture didn't come with. You have to paste the picture separately. So again, bound the picture, right click, copy, click somewhere else, paste. You can move the picture over. And then we just have to do that 2 more times. I'm going to move this up just a tad. So again, we're going to click the box, copy, click out, paste, move it where we want it. And we're going to do that another time. Click out, paste, move it where we want. And now we're going to go back and do the picture. Get the bounding box, right click, copy, try to click out of here, paste, there's a book, click out, paste, there's another book. So there. Now we have our 4 mystery trading cards. And you'll want to do a file, save as, and save this in your file at school. So you're going to want to navigate to the computer, find your name's file, and save it. Then you're going to want to print this, as many as you need, so then we can make them into genre trading cards. So watch this video as much as you need to get this figured out, and I'll let you know when the trading cards are due.